Yes. You have understood?
Ma'am, the
Wait.
kindly
Pius, I'll ask you. Wait, Pius. Yes, Pius.
kindly explain again that it will where it will
It
use.
will be used with animals, things, and little baby when we don't know whether it's a baby boy or a baby girl. Okay? All right. Should we start with the next topic today?
Yes.
Yes? All right. Now you are not going to touch the screen. I'm going to share my screen. All right. When I ask you something, you will show me your thumb so that you have understood. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
No, yes, only thumb. All right. Okay. We are going to start articles today. Have you ever heard the word articles?
Yes.
What are
Yes.
articles? Who's going to tell me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who's going to tell me? Raise your hand quick. Tejas. Okay, Tejas. Tejas, what are articles?
Ma'am, is the
Is
and
the is also is article. Okay, Samreen.
ma'am and
And there is one more article, Mehrab. You tell me.
a and the.
A and the. There are three articles, a and the. Today we are going to study that. Should I share my screen now? I'm going to show you a PPT. You will not touch your screen, okay? Today's topic is articles. This you all know that articles are a and the. Good. Now, what are vowels?
A, E, O, U.
I said no one is going to touch the screen. No one is going to touch the screen. A and the. And what are consonants? Consonants. Yes, Pius.
B, C.
Yes. The other letters of the ABC, that is B, D, F, H, J, M, N are called consonants. Now we are going to learn where to use a and the. A is used, read the second point in your mind, all of you. A is used before words that begin with consonants, and an is used before words that begin with
Vowel.
good. What is this picture of? Tejas? What is this picture of?
Ma'am, boy.
Boy. Now, what are you going to use here? A boy or an boy?
A boy.
Kavi, what are you going to use here? Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a boy. Next picture. What is this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. A ice cream or an ice cream?
An ice cream.
An ice cream. Third one.
An apple.
An apple. Good. And there are some words that begin with H. Do you all know the phonic sound? That which sound comes? You all know how to pronounce words? Say yes or no. I'm not getting response. You're not understanding?
Yes.
Be alert. Yes or no? Don't touch the screen, babies. Don't touch the screen.
Is a vowel.
Which is a vowel?
Or sound is coming from honest and hour.
Yes. O sound is coming from honest, so we will use the word an honest man. Soham, look here, and an hour. Now read the second point. The words like uniform and university. Yes, begin with phonic sound U, Y-U. So we will use a university and a uniform. Should I show you now more pictures? Will you all tell me what will come?
Yes.
Yes? Ready? Let me see.
Yes.
What is this?
An aeroplane.
An aeroplane.
An
Good.
aeroplane.
This one?
An owl.
An owl. This one? Huh?
A
An glass. A glass.
glass.
And this one?
A dog.
A dog. Excellent. Have you all understood the use of a and an now?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Smart class I have. Smart class. Now we will use the word the. How to use the Soham? What are you doing, beta? Now we will use how to use the. The is used in front of only particular things, which is one. Like Taj Mahal is. How many Taj Mahal do we have in India?
One.
We will use the word the Taj Mahal. Alright? We don't use the in front of names. We can't say the Tejas and the Mannat. This is wrong. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Yes. Soham, sit properly. Sit smartly. What is this picture? Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. What is this?
The sun.
The sun. Because we have one sun. The Himalayas. Alright? In front of mountains, in front of oceans, the rivers, the Ganga. I'm giving you examples. Have you all understood the usage of the?
Yes.
Yes. Now be ready with your pencils and notebooks. I'm giving you a short exercise. You will be writing the answers on your own and then I will be discussing. Ready?
1 minute only.
Okay, take 1 minute. Now, do you have any doubt in the topic we have done? A, an, and the?
No.
Everyone has understood? Yes. Oh, great. Should I start with the exercise? Ready?
Yes.
There are 6 sentences. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. Please repeat dash first question. Sunil's father is dash teacher. I have not yet seen dash Taj Mahal. Have you seen a picture of dash unicorn? Dash ostrich lays about 8 eggs at a time. Yes. Who's calling me? No, just write the answers.
And only answers.
Only the answers. You will be getting this PPT on your WhatsApp also. You can read it again, but right now write only the answers. Dash ostrich lays about 8 eggs at a time. Tell me dash name of dash capital of Assam. Let me see.
Ma'am, repeat again.
Can you see the screen?
Not yet. I have not yet seen the Taj Mahal.
Don't speak the answers, okay? Can you all see the screen?
Have you seen picture of?
Beta, don't touch the screen.
I have not yet seen Dash Taj Mahal.
Please.
I have not yet seen Dash Taj
The Taj Mahal. Ostrich lays about
Don't speak the
8 eggs
answers.
at a
Don't speak the
time.
answers.
And ostrich.
Have you seen a picture of Dash?
Have you seen a picture? Oh, and me dash name. I'm done.
Done? Let's wait for the other students also.
मम्मा नान क्या होता है नान क्या होता है
Beta, don't speak. Don't speak.
I'm done.
Done. Wait for everyone. Wait for everyone.
I've only done the answers.
Yes, I just want the answers. I just want the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good. I'm just waiting for everyone.
I have done.
Should I show you the answers now?
Yes. Yes.
Yes? Ready?
Yes. Yes.
The first answer is the. Second,
right.
Check yourself.
right?
I was
First three
right.
correct. Next.
Yes. It was third was the yes was right. Then was this one?
Third was
Next one is and.
Yeah, I was right. Then the and the. Ma'am, I was all not right.
All right. Give yourself a star.
Right.
Very good. Give yourself a star.
First question is first
ask you now, but where should we place the
ma'am,
Yes.
where should
Who's asking me? Please tell me your name first.
Samri.
Yes, Samreen.
Ma'am, why should we keep the for none?
For the first one?
No, ma'am.
Huh.
Sixth.
Six. Tell me the name of the capital of Assam because we are talking about a particular thing. All right?
Ma'am, of name.
Tell me the name. We want one name, not in beta when we are talking about the places or anything, then we use the. But we don't use the in front of our person's name. Like you can't say the Samreen or the Shruti ma'am.
Ma'am, the first answer is he. And the first answer is Payaj is on a beach.
The beta. First answer is the.
I have done the and the.
Wait, I'll share the screen again.
Ma'am, I are all correct.
All correct?
Ma'am, I are all correct too.
Now look at the screen. Can you all see the picture? Can you all see the screen?
All
Oh,
correct.
very good, very good. That means you all have understood the topic.
Yes.
Show me your thumb. Good. Give yourself a star now that you all have understood. Give yourself a star. Okay, students, I'll be showing you your worksheet also. You have to submit, do all the questions and submit. Last time in pronounced worksheet, I did not find all the exercises. There were 2. Some of you did just A part. All right, this time I want all the exercises by evening. Should I show you the worksheet which you have to do today?
Yes.
Thumb, not yes. Tejas, thumb. Show me your thumb. Yes, you are ready. Good. Yes, can you all see my screen? Show me your thumb. Yes. This is the usage of articles, where to use if again you want to find out. Now fill in the blanks with A or an. Question number A. Rahul asked for dash cup of milk. Arnav, tell me. Rahul asked for dash cup of milk.
A.
A. Soham, second one. It takes dash hour to reach the school. A or an?
The school was.
Raninder, your turn. Second one. It takes dash hour to reach the school. We have done this. In front of hour, what will we use? Arshlin, second one. It takes an hour or OR.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes,
Ma'am,
please
I
tell
can
me.
speak. Ma'am,
Yes,
I can
tell me.
speak. Ma'am, I
Who's
can
ma'am?
speak.
Speak
Ma'am,
your
I
name
can
first.
speak.
Speak, speak.
Ma'am, I
Tell
can
the
speak.
answer. Quick, quick, quick.
And
And there are 8 sentences. You have to fill A or an. Then we have our B exercise with 5 sentences. Harshit, are you understanding? Yes. Ankur borrowed dash polo neck t-shirt we bought yesterday. A or an or the? Mehrab, yes. No, we are talking about a particular t-shirt. Beta, we are talking about a particular t-shirt. No, when we talk about particular thing, what do we use? The. Dear, when you are studying for your online classes, please see there is no sound at the back. All right, you should sit in totally that place where there should be no sound. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, the is used when we are talking about something very particular. We have just few minutes left. Exercise C, dash Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean or a Pacific Ocean? A Pacific Ocean. Why? I told you. The has dash huge variety of fish. Has a or the huge variety of fish. A huge variety. Today I will be sharing this worksheet with you all. And the last one, this is a story. Read it. First time when we use the fox, it will be a. And the second time when we use the word fox, will become the. That means we are talking about a particular thing. Students, listen to me. So, Daksh. All right, class 3. When we talk about a particular thing, we use the word the. And we are talking about the word that starts with vowels. Then we use the word an. We have to see the pronunciation also. Have you all understood? Will you be able to do it? Show me your thumb. Will you be able to do it? Yes? Good. All right. See you next time. Till then, revise your pronouns and articles and nouns. 3 topics. All right. Have a nice day. Bye.
Into you.